Hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be a Review channel, and today video I'm going to share with you an online jobs for whom actually that you can earn money, and that is basically work from home job that you can earn money whether you are a student, housewife or something like that, so you can just start making money from your home. So I will tell you that the whole secret and strategy that how it is working, and I will tell you each and everything that you will be able to make money from your home with this simple copy and paste and work from home job. Actually, basically that will be not copy and paste, but the way that they give you the full training, actually you will be fully prepared for that to making money online. So the job that, or the app, or the job that I'm talking about is, for example, from Upstock. So Upstock, if you don't know Upstock is a worldwide website actually that you simply people can invest and making money in stock or investing about that. So they have recently announced their jobs actually, and that is opening jobs from their side actually that we can earn money from that and work from home with Upstock. Okay, Upstock, what is the eligibility for Upstock actually? So you have to be 12 pass or undergraduate that you will be able to start working with them. Actually, this is one criteria. And another thing is that you have to have mobile phone, means smartphone, or you have to have PC or laptop that you will be able to perform their task correctly, and you must be 18 plus actually, means older, 18 plus years older actually, that you can communicate with people and you can earn money as a salary from them. And you must have communication skills actually, that you have to speak a little bit English, so that's why you will be able to work with them. If we just talk about that how this job is working, actually it is work for from home job, and it is available worldwide actually, and it is from it is passive income job. So if we just talk about the salary, that how much we can get, so you can get up to, for example, from $200 into $500 per month actually, very easily and comfortably just from home. So it is a unique job that you can make money from home, and it depends on the hours, or that how many hours you are working and what type of work you are doing. If we just talk about the job profile, that how it is working, so abstract sale advertiser position is that you just need to apply for that. So the first and important thing is that they give you the free training, and after that you will be able to just make money with them, and then you will be able to work with this website. So basically it is a great job opportunity for everyone who want to, or who are seeking for the job, that you need to just go around that and then make start making money from their home. So if we just talk about that how to apply, so basically what you need to do, you can simply just go to this app, able jobs. So once you just go to able jobs, the app actually, so this is the logo, and that will something looks like that. So once you go there, you need to sign up for free actually with this website or this app. So once you sign up with that, then you need to just go to choose courses area right here to courses. So once you just go to the courses, there will be a small assessment actually that you need to complete that. So once you complete that assessment, then you need to just fill up this course, means you have to understand the course policy and you have to just go around course. But before going to the course, you need to just write, for example, Upstock and the courses. So once you just type Upstock and the courses, then you will be find specific course for Upstock, and you need to attain that. So once you finish that, then you can apply, and after 1 or 2 days, your a link will be sent to your inbox for the interview. So then you have to be prepared for interview. Each and everything, course policy, each and everything they give you for free and they teach you for free. So the only thing that required from you to just learn the course exactly what they are saying, and then you can give the interview and you will be eligible for that position. So once you are done with the interview, then you can start making money from your home very easily and comfortably. So just don't forget to just download the app, and take part in the app, for example, and go exactly to Upstock courses, not other courses like Amazon, PTM, or any other one. Just go exactly to Upstock courses and just fill the assignment and then take part in the course, and they will send you a link for the interview and you will be eligible for that. So hope you like that and you are interested with that and you are making money from this opportunity right away. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brain video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.